Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. I hope you all are doing well. I'll start by giving you a brief overview of One Special and what we do. One Special is a leading global partner of Safe Software and reseller of FME. Since 1999, we've honed our technical expertise in the FME products, and our certified consultants help our customers who benefit from over 50 years worth of experience in the field of geographic information. We work closely with Safe Software to ensure you get the very best value out of your FME products. In this webinar, we will explore how City of Cockburn utilized FME as integration engine to provide connectivity between ArcGIS Portal feature services and the TechOne SaaS. We'll start with an overview, their challenge, objective, solution, and finally a conclusion. Located around 20 kilometers south of Perth city centre, the City of Cockburn is home to 130,000 people, with the community expected to grow to more than 170,000 residents by 2026. Encompassing 23 suburbs, the city has many attractions, including some of the best wetland in Western Australia, extensive employment opportunities, and well-established community facilities. The City of Cockburn is committed to supporting a high quality of life for its residents. It provides a range of local government services, including support for community and local businesses, environment and waste, health and safety, building and roads, and recreation and tourist attractions. The city staffs rely on information technology systems, including TechOne ERP and ESRI ArcGIS, to handle requests and manage tasks. The city has streamlined many manual processes, enabling, for example, field workers to navigate to request locations, complete tasks, and record information on site. The City of Cockburn's Enterprise Planning System TechOne was scheduled for migration to the cloud with a November 2024 go-live date. This presented a challenge to the city, which over 20 years had developed numerous integration between the city's geographic information system and ERP. City of Cockburn has streamlined heavily manual processes, enabling field workers to safely navigate to requested locations and complete customer requests. Once TechOne transitions their solution to a cloud-based platform, though, on-premise integration will no longer exist. As a result, the City of Cockburn will lose the ability to run SQL or Python on the SQL data store. There are critical services built and maintained by the city's GIS team using ESRI ecosystem, emphasizing the importance of the integration. And moving to TechOne Cloud requires City of Cockburn to change, adapt, or rework 20 years of SQL customization to meet these cloud requirements. SQL queries, views, store procedures need to be identified and work for SaaS. Technology One environment is still a combination of on-premise and the cloud. So City of Cockburn were limited in their approach. The diagram on the right is the existing on-premise integration of the waste management solution. This solution was built on the premise of importing waste customer requests into ESRI to manage dispatch, navigation, field work, escalation, reattempt, and job closure before importing the updated record and attachment back into the TechOne's CRM and ECM databases. This process is executed currently using stored procedures between linked SQL databases. Python scripts are used between SQL and ArcGIS Online, and currently a combination of Python and SQL scripts is used to import newly created waste CRM data into ESRI, where it is dispatched to the required truck. The The field workers in the truck navigate to the request location where they are required to complete a survey form, effectively completing the request. City of Cockburn then script this updated request data, this updated request data back into TechOne property and rating, and register relevant attachment into CRM, into ECM, like photos and documents. And as you can see with the cross, these linked SQL servers are no longer going to work once they migrate to T1 SaaS. City of Cockburn GIS team engaged one special to collaborate and deliver a proof of concept for city's waste management solution. Council adopted FME to leverage their local government license and deliver this integration, starting with a proof of concept with their most complex integration, the waste solution. Council would then use this integration approach and apply it to the following ESRI integrated solutions: CoSafe, community safety, job management, dispatch the field vehicle to safely and efficiently respond to community issues such as patrol. Street tree, CR integration to determine where residents would like to plant new trees. Job management and field capture using ESRI. Firebreak, public buildings, bushlands, and graffiti. The objective is ultimately to provide a solution to dispatch, navigation, field work, escalation and reattempt, and job closure for customer requests from Technology One to ArcGIS before importing the updated record and field notes and photos into ERP. There are multiple solutions designed for system and data integration. Each of these solutions has its own strength and capabilities, and the choice between them would depend on your specific needs and requirements. The decision to use FME for this project was based on Council already having FME, recognition of FME's superior spatial capabilities, its ability to work across FTP and HTTP protocols to interchange data out of TechOne SaaS, and it's visually self-documenting for knowledge transfer. Just a little about FME. FME Form is a no-code, low-code authoring environment designed to create data integration workflows using a visual interface. Whether you're interested in data replication, synchronization, or ETL, it can process data flexibly. FEM Form connects to a multitude of data formats and sources and has over 500 transformers. The City of Cockburn initially determined the secure file transfer protocol, SFTP, was the most viable data exchange method. Midway through the proof of concept development, however, One Spatial and City of Cockburn become aware that Technology One offered a RESTful web service supporting custom application programming interfaces and APIs. As FME has transformers for both SFTP and web services, the team switched to web services to support more robust, granular, and responsive data exchange. Now here is a diagram of cloud integration solution developed by One Spatial in collaboration with City of Cockburn. Downstream process, TechOne Cloud customer requests to ESRI feature services that enable ArcGIS workforce staff tasks. These web services are scheduled to run every 2 to 4 minutes with FME Flow automation. Upstream process takes a City of Cockburn a go to TechOne Cloud. This occurs less frequently, end of each day, to archive of the work performed. For FME Workbench to connect with TechOne Cloud Web Services, there are 3 aspects to configure. 1, Web Service Configure and or Auth 2.0 token service, passing in the passing in the parameters access request and API code details. Number 2, set up a TechOne SaaS web connection, passing your council TechOne domain URL, client, and secret to authorize. And number 3, using HTTP callers to make JSON requests and process responses using pagination. Technology One offers clients a console where they can configure a web service to extract the dataset theme. Please note web service endpoint needs configuration. For this, refer to Technology One University documentation. In FME, the HTTP caller transformer empowers you to construct all of your requests to TechOne Cloud, both simple or advanced, and extract the JSON attributes. Because City of Cockburn needed to align status of data in Technology One Cloud versus ArcGIS Online, the Change Detector is used to compare original and revised status. This transformer is often used with multiple readers to identify changed features in 2 files. It can identify all the features that 2 input files have in common, and those which are in 1 file and not the other, such as additions and deletions. In conclusion, collaborative work of One Spatial and City of Cockburn achieved the following outcomes. Met hard deadline to re-engineer GIS system integrations prior to Technology One Cloud go live. Replaced hard-coded integration methodology with no-code, low-code, self-documenting FME solution. Improved the transparency and ease of integration developments for multiple IT teams and team members. Increased productivity through near real-time data exchange and enhanced system functionality. Enabled the sustainability and continuous improvement of integrated workflows across IT system. One Special also delivered FME training to the city, GIS, and business system teams. And after testing the waste proof of concept, the GIS team then completed other cloud ERP GIS integrations for processes supporting community safety and vehicle in the field, CoSafe, and managing street trees, firework applications, statutory planning forms, graffiti requests, and various online customer request forms via the city website. The proof of concept took about 2 months, and all the field systems integrations were completed within 6 months, ensuring a smooth transition to Technology One in the field. Next week is the go live date, and we anticipate a smooth transition. I'd like to thank Nathan Sharp and Akiyoshi Kawamura for allowing us to share their journey so others can benefit. We have also recently published a case study on our website, and I will add the link to it here in the chat. I will now hand it over to the team for Q&A. Thank you.